Between the settlements of Lukyanovskoye and Pavlivka in Zaporizhia Oblast, a mine-saturated road embankment laid by Ukrainian forces was opened through a precision operation conducted by Russian units, with fiber-optic FPV drones leading the initial phase. Immune to electronic interference, the drones flew low and steady to identify and neutralize threats from a safe distance. Mines originally in place to hinder Russian movement instead turned into a liability, cutting off the opponent's own logistics, including the only paved road used to sustain defensive positions east of Stepnohirsk. This sector-by-sector clearance not only opened an initial corridor, but also demonstrated how modern drone technology can transform static defenses into strategic vulnerabilities without exposing frontline troops to unnecessary risk. Once the critical route was declared secure, sappers from the Dnipro group of forces, including engineering units of the 58th Guards Combined Arms Army, continued comprehensive mine-clearing operations in the Orakov sector in a consistent and methodical manner. Each day, hundreds of mines and explosive devices hidden in residential areas were located and neutralized using place charges, removing latent threats that endangered civilians and restricted mobility. Despite frequent interference from opposing forces, the operational tempo remained calm, precise, and disciplined, as every secured meter of ground represented not just a technical achievement, but the restoration of territorial control and a foundation for the next operational phase. Mine-clearing efforts in Zaporizhia Oblast highlight the synergy between technology and discipline. Fiber-optic FPV drones open safe routes from a distance, followed by engineering troops who secure the terrain in full. Under sustained pressure, the operation remains precise and consistent, restoring control of the area and paving the way for subsequent phases of the mission.